Alright you guys, welcome to the last episode of Food and the Single Guy with me, your very own Amaru. Relax, I'm not leaving you all together. I am simply announcing the last episode of Food and the Single Guy for Season 10. I have been doing Food and the Single Guy since 2009, and this is what I always do. You know, halfway into the year, around the summertime, I take a break and then I come back, you know, in the fall or something. And this year, I will be back in September with Season 11. That is how long I have been busy doing this, you guys, seriously. And I love doing it, but every now and again, you do have to take a break, recharge the batteries, you know, and regroup and all of that beautiful stuff. And that is what this is. And as I stated in my live broadcast the other day, I will send you into the summer with a nice summery dish. And that is this one, all right? But before we move on to the cooking, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Oh yes, I have added a new channel to my list of channels here on the YT. My comedy channel is live. Go ahead, check it out. I will be uploading stuff in English and Spanish and Dutch and Surinamese, you name it. All right? All right. It would be my honor if you subscribed, and if you don't want to subscribe, go ahead, check it out anyways. Now, speaking of Surinamese, something that I get asked all the time is, do you have a merchandise line? Yes, I do, and I've had this for many, many years, and I've mentioned this on many, many videos, and I always tell you, click on the video description box below for more information. You will see a ton of links with my online presence, including the link to my online t-shirt and merchandise store. And speaking of which, this was delivered a couple of days ago. This is one of my own designs, and I'm gonna move in a little closer. And it says La Casa de Amaru. And this is the map of my country, the Republic of Suriname in South America, okay? So if you're interested in some Amaru merchandise, go and click on my Spreadshirt link. Okay. Now, without further ado, let us continue to putting together this delicious chickpea salad. Okay, you guys, so these are the vegetables that we're going to use for this salad. We're going to use a cucumber, some zucchini, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, a large onion, 2 tomatoes, and 2 stalks of celery. And let us not forget the main ingredient of this salad, these chickpeas. So next what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash the vegetables and then we're gonna chop them up finely. And there they are, all washed and everything. Don't they look beautiful? Oh, but they do. How can you not love vegetables, you guys? Seriously. So next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finely chop all of these. And as far as the celery is concerned, I'm not gonna use all of it because that would be too much. I am going to use 2, maybe 3 stalks of celery. And there you have it, you guys, our finely chopped vegetables. I have used 2 small tomatoes. Make sure to remove the seeds of the tomatoes. I have used a large cucumber. Also make sure to remove the seeds of the cucumber. I've used half of the yellow bell pepper, half of the green bell pepper, a large red bell pepper, a large onion, and 2 stalks of the celery. Okay, you guys, as far as the zucchini is concerned, as you can see, I have thinly sliced half of the zucchini. And next what I'm going to do, I am going to season the zucchini with a little bit of salt. That's it. A little bit of black pepper. And finally, a little bit of garlic powder. There we go. You want to gently toss the zucchini so it picks up all of that seasoning. And then you're going to set it to one side to marinate. So moving on, what we're going to do next, we are going to rinse the chickpeas under a running tap. Alright, you guys, so this is looking good. What I'm gonna do next, I am going to remove the skin of the chickpeas. They're not gonna kill you or anything. I just don't think they look cute in my salad. Alright, so let me go ahead and do that, and I will be back in just a couple of seconds. So there we are again. This is looking good, and of course you're not gonna be able to remove 100% of the skins, but I think I've removed at least 98% of them. And I'm gonna show you what they look like right here in my little dirt collector. This is what the skins look like. All of this is so not necessary to be included in your salad, all right? So let us continue. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna make the dressing. To my bowl, I'm gonna add some yogurt. Here we go. And we're gonna add about 250 milliliters of yogurt. To the yogurt, we're gonna add some lemon pepper. There we go. We're also gonna add some ground coriander. Some people like to use fresh coriander, also known as cilantro. I don't like fresh coriander, so we're gonna add some ground coriander. What we're also gonna add is some ground cumin. Here we go. I'm also gonna add paprika powder, a little bit of turmeric. So next we're gonna whisk this all together. Now you thought you were done, right? But you're not done, boo-boo. You still have to season your dressing, all right? We're going to season the dressing with a little bit of salt. And let us not forget the garlic powder. Now, if you find that it needs more salt or something, you need to season this according to your own taste, all right? All right. Okay, beautiful people, now it's time to put together your delicious salad. And as far as adding the ingredients, there is really no rhyme or reason as to which one goes first, okay? So we're going to start with the paprika. The red one, the green one, as well as the yellow one. There we go. We're going to continue with the celery. Delicious celery. Next, I'm going to add the cucumber. And the tomatoes. And finally, we're going to add the onions. Now, we're going to give this a quick mix. And now we're going to add the chickpeas. We're going to give that a quick mix. Baby, let me tell you, this is going to be good. This is going to be good. Oh yes. Now you guys, in putting together your salad, you may want to use a large bowl such as this one, alright? Because you don't want to make a mess. So next what we're going to add is the dressing. And of course, we're going to give this a good stir. Baby, when I tell you this smells delicious. Now for the final presentation, we're going to garnish with some of that seasoned courgette. Just like this. To make it look nice and pretty. Right? Now, we're also going to add some raisins to the salad. If you don't like raisins, you can just leave them out. And last, but definitely not least, we're going to add some freshly chopped mint on top. Right on, baby. And you know what I always tell you? Color makes everything beautiful. Doesn't that look beautiful? I think it does. And there you have it, you guys. A delicious and healthy salad. Perfect for summer, perfect for vegetarians, and perfect for any barbecue. Now you guys, I am not a big fan of the taste of plain yogurt. It is too tart for my taste. So adding the raisins to this salad is a definite plus for me. But if you like the tartness of plain yogurt and the taste of raisins, go right ahead and do what you want to do. I am not here to tell you no, alright? Now, I have to tell you that the combination of the yogurt and the cumin and the celery and the raisins, those 4 ingredients are a must for this salad, alright? It's going to make all the difference. Now, you guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you for now. Like I said, I will be back in September. If you decide to try this dish, let me know how it turned out, because I'm always interested in hearing from you. And as you have seen, it is it is beyond easy. Okay? Now, do be well, take care, happy cooking, happy chickpea salad eating, have a great summer, and until we meet again, see you in September. Ciao.